Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to send Litecoin from your Uphold account straight to your Trezor hardware wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, keeping your assets secure is more important than ever. Whether you're new to this or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring Litecoin safely in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Trezor wallet is set up and ready to go. If you haven't already, connect your Trezor device to your computer and open the Trezor Suite app. This is your gateway to managing your hardware wallet securely. Once you're in, navigate to your Litecoin wallet within the app and grab your wallet address. It's that long string of letters and numbers. Double-check it because accuracy is key to avoid any mishaps. Now, hop over to your Uphold account. Log in with your credentials and head to the dashboard. Find your Litecoin balance. It's probably under the Crypto section. Click on it to access your wallet details. Here, look for the Send or Withdraw option. When you select it, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Paste in that Trezor wallet address you copied earlier. Don't forget to specify the amount of Litecoin you want to send. Uphold might ask for a network fee or confirmation, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Before you hit that confirm button, take a moment to verify everything. Is the address correct? Is the amount right? Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so caution is your best friend. Once you're confident, go ahead and confirm the transfer. You'll get a transaction ID, which you can use to track the progress. Head back to your Trezor Suite app and refresh the page. Your Litecoin should show up in your wallet shortly, depending on network congestion. In 2025, with faster blockchain tech, this might take just a few minutes. Awesome, right? A couple of quick tips. Always use a secure internet connection for these transfers, and never share your private keys. If you're dealing with larger amounts, consider the current market fees to make sure it's worth it. And there you have it. Your Litecoin is now safely tucked away in your Trezor wallet. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay secure out there.